Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making slow cooker country style pork ribs in barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We're going to make the seasoning first. We'll need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and lastly 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Take the seasoning and mix it all together. Okay, everything is nicely mixed together. We're going to put the seasoning to the side. We have here 2 trays of boneless country style pork ribs, and it's close to 5 pounds. Let's open it up. We're going to season the first batch first. Alright, we're going to season the first batch. Turn it around and do the same thing. There you go. We also have here just a little bit over 2 cups of chopped up yellow onions. We're going to pour this in. Spread them out. Next, we're going to take the first batch of boneless pork ribs and put it in. There we go. We have the first batch in. And next, we're going to finish the second batch by seasoning it. Okay, we season both sides. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. Now let's put in the second batch. There we go. Next, we're going to use Stubbs Smoky Brown Sugar Barbecue Sauce. You can use any brand of smoky barbecue sauce you like. And we're just going to pour it in. We'll be using a whole bottle and it's 18 ounces. Try to mix it around a little bit. Looking good. This is what it looks like before we close it up. If you have a lot of time, I would set it to low for 8 hours. But since I'm short on time, we're going to set it to high for 6 hours. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 6 hours on high. And now we're just going to turn it to warm. Stick off the cover. Smells good. Next, we're going to put some chopped up parsley on top. Take some out and put it on a plate. We're just going to sprinkle just a little bit more parsley on top. Okay, this is what we have today. Slow cooker country style pork ribs with barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.